Now, I'm required by the Coast Guard to go over a couple of safety rules and regulations with you guys first before we head out today. And to start, I'll show you how to put on one of these life vests. Just going to take it, unclip at the front, stick your nog in through the hole, wrap this black strap around your body, and reclip it in the front like so. And now, we haven't had to use these in our 73 years of service, and I don't want to be that first guy, so we should be good. We have 23 adult life vests located above you, 6 child ones above me. You could also please refrain from smoking for the next 50 to 60 years. That would be greatly appreciated. Could you point out the emergency exits for me? Yeah, you got it. Back side. Basically, if you don't see the color green, you are good to go. Now, we will be coming close to some rock formations and trees on the trail today. So if you could please keep all heads, arms, and small children inside the vehicle, that would be perfect. And if you could also please remain seated throughout the entire ride, that would be great as well. Now, how many of you are first-time duck riders? There's a couple of us, right? Well, it'll be my first time too, so see how it goes.